What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It is Mind Figs here, and today we are here hitting your subscription box with a brand new tips and mother effing tricks video. Guys, today is the first day of summer, baby. I am in summer vacation. 3 months, I don't go to school, and I'm chilling. More content, more live streams on Instagram and YouTube, more videos, more Venomine Figs, running all summer for my biggest dream of 10,000 subscribers or family members. Guys, I hope you guys do enjoy everything I post on this channel because I absolutely love making videos for you guys. It's been just a dream, and seeing now having a really awesome audience, it's so freaking breathtaking to me and other people when they see my channel. So thank you all so much for all the support. I love you all so much. But I also hope you guys enjoy the fix-ups and tips and tricks videos as I love to do them. These are, again, things, if you're new to the series, go check out the other ones. I made a whole playlist of, like, the older ones. So, yeah. But if you don't know, tips and tricks are basically, like, fix-ups I've done or I've seen around the community, my friends have done. But some of these are kind of ones that I created and I've seen, again, around the community and from my friends. So, without further ado, we're gonna get started, boys and girls. Let's get it! Alright, guys, the first tips and tricks we got is the Miz fix-ups. And what I did was I got this head scan and I put glasses on it. Bro, it looks sick with glasses. Taking them off, we got this. Now, I think it looks really cool. It looks like a heel, and I definitely do enjoy this head scan a lot. And then, this is my favorite one. I got the Elite 37 head scan and I swapped it onto the Elite 53. Oh my, does it look awesome. It's like a current attire, and I did this because I do like the slick back on the, that was originally on this. But as of late, Miz has been having spiky hair, and I wanted to test it out with this head scan, and my god, I love this fix-up. Easily one of my more favorite ones, and I hope everyone starts doing this because, dude, it looks really good. Yeah, it looks like a little long neck, but you know what? I like it, so that's all that matters. Next up, we got an Elite Fandango fix-up. All I did was I put DOLPH ZIGGLER arms and I swapped the hands with Fandango hands, and it looks really good. It's a lot more like playable now. Next up, we got a Brock Lesnar fix-up. All I did was when I got the WrestleMania 34 playset, I just head swapped it with this head scan. Next up, we have an Elite 49 Enzo Amore fix-up. I just got the Elite 55 head scan and I swapped it onto this one. Next up, we got an Elite Rich Swann fix-up. As you can see, the torso is a lot smaller. It is not the Kofi Kingston torso. In my opinion, the Kofi Kingston torso just did not work for this figure. Rich Swann is not that ripped, and also he's a cruiserweight, so he can't really be that big, you know? But this just works a lot better. I'm pretty sure Wrestling Hero Figs did this idea, and so biggest shout out to him, and biggest shout out to Steinsenberg Custom, Team Rated CDS, or Cody, for torso cracking this figure for me. This is an Elite 52 or 53. I'm pretty sure Elite 52. Xavier Woods torso that's on this. And it looks really good. It just looks a lot more accurate and just not out of scale. Next up, we have this Elite 58 Sheamus fix-up. I got that red basic head scan and I put it onto this. This Sheamus head scan for a current right now is the best Sheamus head scan, period. I absolutely love this Sheamus head scan. The mohawk is a lot longer than what it used to be on this figure, so I definitely love that because Sheamus' mohawk is freaking long, dude. It's like freaking gone, dude. And I do love this little thing. It's gonna probably break off one day. Then I also swapped the arms. As you can see, it doesn't have like the, I don't know how to explain it. It doesn't have these kind of arms right here on this Kenny Omega. It used to have these ones, but I put these ones. This is from a basic Sheamus. I'm pretty sure it's from the first basic Sheamus that he had the mohawk with, and then that's all I did. And it looks a lot better, and this attire is just amazing, man. Best Sheamus Elite in my opinion. Next up, we have an AJ Styles fix-up. I got this idea from Jesus_Customs. All he did was he got the Network Spotlight arm and swapped the Elite 56 hand onto it. And the reason he did that is so we can have this little armband onto it. For this next one, I've seen the Elite Maniac do this. He got it from a trade, and I saw him, he got the figure, and he posted this, and I saw this head swap onto this Elite KO. It's like the recent WrestleMania 34, and I really wanted to pass on this figure. I did not even want it, but once I saw that head swap, I said, bro, I'm gonna do it, and I did it. I bought the figure and I head swapped it. And I also, as you can see, bicep swapped it with Elite 38 Bradshaw biceps. And I got this basic KO head. And to be honest, to this day, I feel like this is the better Kevin Owens head skin. Yeah, it's a little bit on the long and big square side, but I still think it's really good. Especially, just look at it. He's like, really, bro? Are you for real? Next up, we have an Elite Kofi Kingston fix-up. I got this figure from Teenage Toy Collector, which you will see an unboxing of that very soon. And all I did was, this Kofi had really big arms, again, like the Dolph Ziggler arms. And so, what I did was, I got my basic Kofi Kingston, and I got some smaller arms on it. And it looks a lot better. And I got the white wrist tape, so it really stands out. Really do love this fix-up and this figure in general. Next up, we got this NXT Elite Seth Rollins fix-up. I got this idea from Mike the Wrestling Collector. All he did was he got X-Pac Elite, like, what, 33 arms? And he swapped it on, and of course, BEW painted on the rings. And it looks a lot better, it looks a lot more accurate. Of course, as I showed in my BEW unboxing, which you should check out down below in the description if you haven't not already. What I did was, I also got smaller knee pads. As you can see, it used to have those big knee pads. I swapped smaller knee pads, but I really want to put smaller legs onto it. Sadly, I do not have any smaller legs as of the moment, and I hopefully soon will get some so I can make this figure a lot better. And so, I would recommend putting smaller knee pads onto this and some smaller arms. Specifically, Elite 33 X-Pac arms. Looks awesome. For the next tip and trick, we got a Johnny Gargano basic one, and man oh man, this is just a complete little upgrade to it. I made this idea by myself. I just kind of wanted to make it like his recent NXT TakeOver attire with the shoulder. So I got that Lost Legends Shawn Michaels, and I put it onto the Elite 37 Seth Rollins vest. Looks epic. If you're wondering, I put the longer piece on underneath, then the over piece like on his shoulder like this. Just push it down right there. Looks really good and just looks a lot better in my opinion. Next up, we got this Elite Randy Orton fix-up. It feels like every tip and trick, this figure's in it. All I did was elbow pads. Look, smaller elbow pads onto this Randy Elite. Oh my god. Bro, are you freaking kidding me right now? What the hell? What the? I just got this figure yesterday. Legit. I went to Toys R Us yesterday. Figures were 50% off. I was like, oh shoot, 50% off? Damn, I'll take it. I found all of Elite 40, all of Elite 41. I found Sami Zayn, John Cena, Umaga, IRS, all these different freaking figures. And And I also found Elite 43, Kevin Owens, Kofi Kingston. And I got Tyson Kidd for like $10. I got the Network Smiley Undertaker for like $12. And I got Ravishing Rick Rude to do this fix-up. And this figure was perfectly fine yesterday. What the? I've never had a figure that's done this. Dude, this fix-up looks so good too. Oh my god, bro. What happened? What do you mean? Anyways, here, let me see. Okay. We're gonna go like trash fix-up. There. Alright. Looks brand new. Anyways, here's my Dolph Ziggler fix-up. I made this idea myself. I got the freaking figure to do this, but it broke. What do you mean? So I got the Elite 39 head scan and I put it onto the Ravishing Rick Rude. Got some Ziggler. I don't even know what arms these are. I just got some random arms out of my bin and I put Ziggler hands onto it. And as you can see, without the leg breaking, this figure looks epic. I'm gonna put some pictures of when I made it yesterday and I posted on Instagram. It looked beautiful, bro. It was like the best fix-up I've ever done. And so you get this awesome pink that he always wears. Then you look behind and you see a girl. And I feel like Ziggler really would do that. Then I put some Elite 48 Dolph Ziggler boots to make it in scale. Yes, this figure's in scale. A big question I got yesterday when I did this fix-up is it too tall? Is it too short? Here's a Dolph Ziggler, again, another fix-up. I've already shown this before. Putting it, it's a little smaller, as you can see, but it still worked for me. Of course, this hair, for some reason, is always puffed up. I don't know why. It's just been like that. But what the heck, Mattel? Really? And funny thing is, I can't return this because Toys R Us is not taking returns. Are you kidding me right now? This leg couldn't move at all yesterday. So I went and freaking moved it up and it broke. Really? Like, legit? I just wanted to pose it real quick and then it broke. What is that? God damn it, Mattel! You imbeciles! Messing up my freaking Rick Rude. Man, I gotta go buy a new one. Anyways, at least I got this figure for like $10, so I actually do not care. But damn it, that was a waste. I'm pissed! Well, Ziggler aside, we have the best wrestler, CM Punk. Here we go, guys. I got this awesome WrestleMania when he fought The Undertaker, Toys R Us exclusive CM Punk. Swap the head scans with this. This is from a basic I got at Walgreens. It's kind of like the same head scan as that one Elite CM Punk that comes with a jacket. Same kind of head scan, and it looks beautiful. Take off the shirt. Check it out. It looks sick, man. We got the copyrighted tattoos made by DOLPH. And look at this, man. Looks so sick. I absolutely love this fix-up so much. Probably, again, one of my more favorite ones. Next up, speaking of ravishing Rick Rude, I got the Bobby Roode Elite from the NXT one, again from Teenage Toy Collect because he's the man. And I got his robe, and I put it onto this, and it looks really good. The only thing that sucks is that that thing puffs up, but putting it down, look at that. That actually doesn't look half bad, bro. Probably gonna staple that damn thing. I'm surprised this didn't break, but looks awesome. Red colors, of course, IVW is all about red. My favorite color is blue, but it turned to red. So, yeah, sick. I love the dots. It really feels like he could wear this, except on the back says Simply Ravishing. Simply Glorious, maybe? I don't know, dude. But looks sick. I like it. Red robe, cool figure. And I made this up myself. I haven't seen anyone do this. Lastly, and certainly not least, this idea comes from my friend, Wolfensteiner Customs. Bro, you are a genius for this. I've never seen anyone do this. So, if you guys remember, at the Ultimate Deletion, Matt Hardy versus Bray Wyatt, Matt Hardy was wearing a black tank top and jeans. No wrist tape, and yeah. So, what I saw Wolfensteiner do, Wolfie as I call him, I seen him get the entrance crates, epic moments, Matt Hardy head scan, and put it onto the network spotlight Dean Ambrose. And I think it works perfectly in the moment. I'll put up a little bit of pictures right now of that moment, like the Ultimate Deletion. This figure is like legit accurate to that, and it's kind of scary how it is. So if you want to recreate the Ultimate Deletion, get the entrance. I almost said entrance crates again. Get the epic moments, or maybe even Elite 58. Is that the 58? Might work. Legit, but I think this head scan works a lot better in my opinion. Just looks sick, man. Everything from the networks for like Dean Ambrose, and then epic moments. Matt Hardy head looks epic, bro. Love this so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, it's probably one of my more favorite tips and tricks. I'm really sad my freaking favorite fix-up I've ever done, my Dolph Ziggler fix-up broke, bro. Hope you guys have a great day, and peace out, guys. I guess Ziggler did a great super kick to freaking break his damn leg. God damn it,